Hey guys, Tony with Kendall Ford Accessories. Just want to show you one of the bigger builds that we just finished up. It's a 2024 F-350 Platinum. So the brand new model, hard to get, and we've already got lift kit, wheels, tires, paint match. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys right now. So we did a 5-inch BDS Coil-Over Suspension with reservoir shocks. K1 forged wheels, 22-inch. Tires, we did Dino Ridge Grapplers. They're actually 1550 wide. So they actually fit a huge tire underneath with a 5-inch lift. We did all paint match, so grill, the emblem, mirror caps. We did window tint, Expel 3A package, which is your full front, full rockers all the way around. Also back placard, which you only can get with chrome, so that's all paint matched. So the front here, we did the grill, paint matched the Ford logo, then added the Warren winch and dual steering stabilizers with BDS, this is the Fox steering stabilizers, and then also paint matched the fog bezels and the front bumper. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy it, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kendall, let's start something great.